it's Miss Rawls again, and I have my Carson here. Y'all know Carson. Say hey, Carson.
Hey.
All right. He wants to be in the video when we read this book, so here he is. He misses you guys too. All right. We're going to read There Was an Old Mermaid Who Swallowed a Shark. And the author is Lucille Calandro, and it's illustrated by Jared Lee. And the name Lucille makes me miss my Lucia. Hey, Lucia. All right, guys. There was an old mermaid who swallowed a shark. I don't know why she swallowed the shark, but it left no mark. The old mermaid. The great white shark left no mark. How could that be? At 15 feet long and 5,000 pounds, beats me. Zoom in on the book a little bit so they can see the pictures. There was an old mermaid who swallowed a squid. That's what she did. She swallowed a squid. She swallowed the squid to float with the shark. I don't know why she swallowed the shark, but it left no mark. Did the squid really swim fast? It propelled itself with a mighty jet blast. There was an old mermaid who swallowed a fish, a tropical fish. That was her wish. She swallowed the fish to dance with the squid. She swallowed the squid to float with the shark. I don't know why she swallowed the shark, but it left no mark. Sharks have rows and rows of teeth. Does that mean they chomp and chew what they eat? Nope. We swallow it whole. Now that's a feat. Ooh. There was an old mermaid who swallowed an eel. Ooh. She let out a squeal when she swallowed that eel. She swallowed the eel to brighten the fish. She swallowed the fish to dance with the squid. She swallowed the squid to float with the shark. I don't know why she swallowed the shark, but it left no mark. So why did the eel look so bright? Its body creates fluorescent light. Do y'all know what fluorescent means? Really bright. There was an old mermaid who swallowed a crab. It was tough to grab, but she swallowed that crab. She swallowed the crab to tickle the eel. She swallowed the eel to brighten the fish. She swallowed the fish to dance with the squid. She swallowed the squid to float with the shark. I don't know why she swallowed the shark, but it left no mark. Did the crab lose its claw when it was snared? No need to worry. I can grow a spare. There was an old mermaid who swallowed a sea star. She didn't swim far to swallow that star. She swallowed the sea star to play with the crab. She swallowed the crab to tickle the eel. She swallowed the eel to brighten the fish. She swallowed the fish to dance with the squid. She swallowed the squid to float with the shark. I don't know why she swallowed the shark, but it left no mark. Why didn't the sea star swim away? Without a brain, it's hard to say. So sea stars don't have brains. There was an old mermaid who swallowed a clam. It was fun to cram her mouth with a clam. There was an old mermaid who loved to spend her whole day playing pretend. That everything under the water was her friend. Wish we could learn more about these underwater creatures? Turn the page for extra features. So look at this. These are sharks. Sharks are born with complete sets of teeth, guys. That means when they come out, they have all their teeth. And they can immediately get their own food. So when they're born, like our babies, we have to give them bottles. Sharks are born and they can already hunt. And when they bite something, their teeth fall out. I didn't know that. But when their teeth fall out, another tooth moves up to take its place. Sharks can go through up to 50,000 teeth in their life. So when you're at the beach, sometimes you'll find a shark tooth lying on the sand. That's why. Because when they bite something, their teeth fall out, they grow more. A squid can swim as fast as 25 miles an hour. That's almost as fast as we drive on our streets that we live on. They use jet propulsions. Water squirts out of their bodies and it helps them speed up. Many squids live in the deepest parts of the ocean. That means as far down as they go. The colossal squid has giant eyes that light up so it can see in the dark ocean. Tropical fish live in warm water called the tropics around the world. The species are brightly colored. That's why they're so popular in aquariums, because we love to see bright colored fish, right? Those are tropical fish. About 1/3 of tropical fish species spend some of their lives living in coral reefs. These fish often help clean the reefs by eating the plants that grow on it. Eels. Guys, one time I was fishing when I was at the beach in Florida, and I caught an eel, and I thought it was a snake, but it wasn't. It was an eel, but I still didn't like it. All right, eels don't have scales. They are covered with a slimy substance that allows them to slither and slide like a snake. There are around 800 species of eels. A species is a type. So some types of eels can live to be more than 100 years old. That's really old. Okay? There are more than 10,000 species of crabs. Remember, species means types of. So there's more than 10,000 types of crabs. A group of crabs is called a cast. Crabs have 10 legs, but 2 of them are claws. And I love to eat their legs. I don't know about y'all. They can use their claws to communicate with each other. So you know how some people speak with sign language? Crabs kind of communicate like that. They use their claws to talk. Crabs often outgrow their hard shells. When that happens, a crab either molts and grows in a new shell, or it goes searching for a bigger shell to move into. Sea stars, if you'll remember in our book it said they didn't have brains, do not have a brain or blood. These creatures move quickly because of hundreds of tube feet on the underside of their arms. Sea stars usually have 5 arms that help them skim across tide pools. But some species can have up to 40 arms. If one of a sea star's arms is injured, guess what happens? It grows a new one. All right, clams. I don't like to eat clams. Ugh. They have no eyes, ears, or noses. They cannot see, hear, or smell. In order to protect themselves, they burrow, which means bury, deep in the sand in a group called a bed. There are more than 15 different species of clams. Some clams are small, but others can grow up to 500 pounds. 500 pounds is huge, guys. I bet everyone in our class, I know everyone in our class. Let's see. Maybe 500. Anyway, that's a lot. And some species can live up to 40 years. 40 years. And that is the end. Thank you guys for listening. I love you, and I'll have more for you later. Bye.
Bye.